Good afternoon, students. Welcome back with another section of social studies. A plain is a broad area of relatively flat land. What is a plain? A plain is a broad area of relatively flat land. Plains are one of the major landforms or types of land on earth. They cover more than one-third of the world's land area. Plains exist on every continent. Most plains are formed by rivers and their tributaries, just like the northern plains of India. A plain is a flat, low-lying area. It usually has gentle slopes. Mostly, it is formed by rivers that carry rich deposits such as sand, silt, and clay with them. These deposits from fertile plains. Plains are thickly populated because the soil of these plains is fertile and water is easily available. It is suitable for agriculture, goods, transport, and housing facilities. Some more features of plains. First one, being rich in fertile soil. It is ideal for growing many crops. Second one, big cities and towns come up in the plains. Third one, many large industries develop in the plains. Fourth one, it is easy to build roads, railways, and airports in a plains. Deserts. Deserts are dry regions which receive little or no rainfall. Example, the Sahara Desert of Africa. The Sahara is the world's largest desert. It extends across most of the northern part of Africa. It is the world's hottest desert. The vast majority of the geographic features in the desert include only sand or rocks and gravel. Deserts are areas that receive very little precipitation. People often use the adjectives hot, dry, empty to describe deserts, but these words do not tell the whole story. Most deserts, far from being empty and lifeless, are home to a variety of plants, animals, and other organisms. In all deserts, there is little water available for plants and other organisms. During summer, hot and dry wind blow during the daytime. Dust storms are common in deserts. The winds blowing in the desert form hills of sand called sand dunes. Due to its extreme climate, very few people live in the desert. Most deserts are warmer during the day than they are at night, and the difference in temperature is quite drastic. In fact, the most important characteristics of a desert is that it receives very little rainfall. Why is desert so hot? Deserts are hot primarily because of a lack of water. When the sun shines on the ground, all of the absorbed sunlight goes into raising the ground's temperature. Deserts are cold at night because of the lack of water in the ground and little water vapor in the air. Most deserts can get quite cool at night. Oasis is a small pool of water that springs up at some places in the deserts. Date palm trees grow around oases. Oasis landforms have three main characteristics. An area surrounded by desert has a water source, supports vegetation and animal life. The Sahara Desert has about 90 large oases. Some of the famous deserts are Thar Desert in India, the Great Sandy Desert in Australia, and the Patagonia in South America. The Thar Desert, also known as the Great Indian Desert. The Great Indian Sand Desert or Thar Desert is the most popular and famous desert and ranked as seventh largest desert in the world. Various kinds of deserts experience very hot weather, but this type gets it all year. Cold winter deserts have long, arid summers and a small amount of rainfall in the winter. Coastal deserts have cool winters but warm summer. That's all for today. Thank you.